Percent change. Percents can be used to describe a change. Percent change is the ratio of the amount of change to the original amount. So in our formula we see that percent change equals the amount of change over original amount. Now when we say percent increase, that describes how much the original amount increases. And percent decrease describes how much the original amount decreased. So this is how much it goes up, and this is the percent of the value that it goes down. So let's use it in some problem situations. What we need to do is we need to find the percent increase or decrease from 15 to 20. So first of all, we have to determine whether it's going up or it's going down. Well, if it began at 15 and is getting to 20, we know that it's going up. So we know that we're doing increase, not decrease. So now we have to figure out what is the percent. Well, first of all, we have to find the amount of change. Well, when it goes from 15 to 20, it changes by 5. And then according to our equation, we have to put it over the original amount, which was 15. We know it's the original amount because in our word problem it says from. This usually tells us that this is the original amount, and 2 tells us that this is the new amount. So if we reduce our fraction, 5 over 15, that's the same as 1 over 3, which is 33 1/3% increase. That is a big increase. Let's look at our second equation. Our second problem. When Jim was exercising, his heart rate went from 70 beats per minute to 98 beats per minute. What was the percent increase? So first of all, we already know it's increase. So all we have to do is calculate the percent. So we take 98 minus 70, which tells us how much it increases or decreases. And then we're going to put it over the original amount, which is 70. Well, 70 from 98 is 28 beats divided by the 70. Well, looking at these, both of these reduce down by 7. So if we reduce both of these by 7, that's 4 over 10, which is 40%. So the percent increase of his heart rate was 40%, another large percent increase.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.